Hello everyone, here we are on a Tuesday afternoon, 29th of October 2019. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we're flying around the LCBC church on Broadway. A little bit has changed since the last time we were out here. It looks like one of the caterpillars down there was out running around in the mud and the dirt a little bit, leaving some tracks. But other than that, that's the only change I see. Nothing really different. So I'll leave the video run out and you can go down in the comment section and click on a previous video to make any comparisons. Have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.